This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Organon Co, a pharmaceutical company focused on women's health, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OGNUS. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks, and you should do your own research. You will need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OGNUS to find Organon Co. Make sure to select the NASDAQ listing so you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the company profile and the price chart to confirm it is Organon Co. Verify details like sector and the NASDAQ ticker to ensure you are on the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details including any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for execution when trading resumes. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Soft CTA. Check the eToro link in the description to explore the platform and learn more.